Hi, boys and girls. You just listened to this book called Cloudy with a Chance of Meatballs. Now it's time for you to retell the story. To help you retell the story, you get to use retelling sticks today. These sticks will help you because sometimes we forget all the details of what happened. So let's look at our sticks to see how we can remember what happened and talk about it. The sticks say setting, characters, problem solution, beginning, middle, and end. Use the sticks to create a little video to send to your teacher. When you're talking to your teacher, hold up the stick. For example, you might hold up the stick that says setting, and you'll tell where the story took place. Then you'll hold up the stick that says characters. Name all the important characters in the story. Do you remember their names? Then there was a very big problem in the story. What happened? Tell your teacher. And then how did the problem get fixed at the end of the story? This is the part where you get to explain what you remember from the book. And then you can explain what happened at the beginning, the middle, and how did the story end? How did the characters feel at the beginning, the middle, and the end? How did the story change in the beginning, middle, and end? Have fun using these retelling sticks to retell the story, Cloudy with a Chance of Meatballs.